What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today I'll be guiding you guys how you can open trading demo account on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you're going to be doing is just go to your web browser and search for forex or forex.com like this. And then to this first link, just go over there which says forex trading online #1 and all. Then what you'll be doing is now you'll be redirected to this particular platform which is forex.com's website, and then you can do one thing over here. You'll be having the option which says account, and then go over there, and over here you'll be finding this free demo account. Just go over here. Now you'll be asked to get the full name, email and all. And so just put your full name like this, and then your email, and then the phone number. First select your reason and then the phone number, and just go with the I'm not a robot, and then submit it guys, and it will process for some moment. So it says that so guys, just check over here. It says username and password will be sent to this particular email, so get your email password as well. So just keep on checking everything guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.